it's me, Tina Marie, true meaning of radiance. Today's video is going to be a Dollar Tree haul. I'm on mom duty, so the kids are in there, they're eating. I'm watching them eat at the same time, filming for you guys. Since the living room is just right there, you probably can't see it because the door's open, but they're right there. Wow, Dollar Tree was popping. I went in there to get 3 things. $22 later, okay, $22 later. But y'all, Bolero got new products out with facial serums. What? So I picked up some of those. I held restraint. I didn't get everything. Wow, the 7, oh, I'm just gonna get into it because y'all wouldn't know what I'm talking about. So these are kind of like LaCroix, okay? This is the 7 Spritzer. This is watermelon lemonade. At Target, these go for $5.62 for this right here. I got them for $1 at the Dollar Tree. They're just very similar to LaCroix if you drink LaCroix. And this is a great alternative to drinking soda. Very great alternative. You get, I think it's 8 in here, 8 tall boys. Yeah, you get 8 tall boys. This is normally 5 something. So to get this for $1, this was definitely a steal. And this is in watermelon lemonade. So you know it's good, y'all. Y'all know it's good. So I cannot wait to drink these. This was better than me getting LaCroix because the LaCroix pack like this is even $4 and some change. So I thought this was a really good steal. So if you see these at your Dollar Tree, get them. Soda alternative to my soda junkies. You'll love them. And it's only 15 calories. So I didn't just get one because they had like 6 of them, but I wanted to save some for other people. I didn't want to be like too greedy. Plus I'm the only one that's going to drink these because my kids won't drink these. So I got 2 because they think LaCroix and stuff is disgusting, but I got 2 of them so I can drink them. So this will last me about 2 weeks. So I thought that was a great steal. So that's the main reason why I did the video. I got the sparkle paper towel because we were out of paper towel and I was there. So I was like, why not for $1? So I picked up the sparkle. The next items are the things I actually went in there for. So this is quite boring. Some waffles to make for tomorrow. Because the kids normally don't eat breakfast here. They normally eat it at school. So I just bought the small pack of waffles because they're going to eat in here tomorrow. Before their doctor's appointment, and 8 frozen sausage links from Farmer John. Don't know if they're good or not, but I'm going to be making those tomorrow. So I bought those, and that was the main reason I was in there. And some syrup, because I always get the sugar-free syrup. My kids do not like the sugar-free syrup, but I went ahead and got this regular one, seeing if they would like this one. So I got it to try out, and everything else in here was just a guilty pleasure purchases, y'all. Besides one thing I needed, everything else was guilty pleasure. So the bubble bath with vitamin E I got for Paw Patrol because the kids did need more. So I did pick this up. I did pick up this. Oh no, that's Bolero. Bolero's last. But I picked up exfoliating bath glove because I wanted to have one, and it's pink, so I picked that up. Trying to get through the stuff that's not Bolero before I show you Bolero. I picked up a head wrap, a 3-pack. It looks just like that. What else did I get here? I did pick up the silicone makeup applicators. I don't even like silicone makeup applicators, but I thought for $1, why not give it another go? They're really soft, and of course I love the purple. That's what drew me in, that purple, and then they give you a white one. So 2 for $1. That is a really good deal. So I had to pick these up. LA Colors has some liquid eyeshadows out now. I only picked up one. They had a lot of different metallic ones, and this was the metallic one that I found interesting. So I decided to give it a go. And this is just in Toasted. It looks like that. Really cute. I'm trying to be quick because I want to get to the Bolero stuff. This is new. This is the Natural Loofah Exfoliating Soap Bars. And I'm going to be using this starting with my shower tonight. And I got the one in Orange Creamsicle scented. They had multiple scents. They had this one and some other one. I forgot the name of it. Was some kind of coconut thing, coconut colada, and I didn't really like the smell of that. But this one, I really did enjoy the smell. So I picked it up. It's a natural cleanse and exfoliate. And it says the loofah plant is a natural exfoliant used to gently buff away dead skin cells, revealing youthful glowing skin. Use this aromatic body bar to smooth skin. So it says instructions: use every day to gently cleanse, moisture, and exfoliate all over the body, and make sure to store it in a place away from sunlight, so in your shower. But I think this is pretty cool. I cannot wait to try it out, and if you guys want me to report back on it, please let me know in the comments below. The next thing I found that was pretty cool, these are cleansing charcoal black facial wipes with green tea. They look just like this. They had them on like the end cap out thing, and I went ahead and picked up the 20. If you guys want me to report back on them, let me know. Trying to see what it says. It says, reveal glowing and beautiful skin. Charcoal is a powerful detoxifier and is known for its ability to absorb impurities. So basically the directions say gently wipe face. Wipes are for one-time use only. Keep sealed closed to keep wipes moist. So they look just like that. And the packaging is pretty cute, but the packaging is a lot bigger than the other charcoal ones. So we'll see if they work the same. And I got this because this looks so much like the EOS shower gel. And this is just, yeah, it says compared to EOS shave cream. Okay, because I got it because it was so similar. It's from Personal Care. It's an advanced smooth and glide formula. Moisture and nourishes. Flawless shave cream. And I got it because it looked just like EOS. Very, very similar with the packaging and stuff. So I cannot wait to use this and see if it works the same. I already have a shave cream I'm using that I just bought, and I wish I would have just waited and got this because this is pretty cute from the Dollar Tree, and I'd rather have had this, but oh well. And they had some Clairol Color Crave. So this is hair makeup where you can change the color of your hair, and I'm gonna be getting a new unit in this weekend, y'all. So it's gonna look kind of similar to this one because I'm loving the short look. And I'm gonna put some of this in there. It's really cute. It's shimmering rose gold. So I cannot wait to experiment with this. And it says it washes out with one shampoo. And it says to use it, just shake tube before use, squeeze tube until color appears in sponge applicator, and you swipe the color to dry hair strands. You heat it with a blow dryer to lock in the color, and then to get it out, you wash it out. So I thought the little hint of rose gold would be cute in the wig, so I picked that one up. And again, for $1, that's really good. Okay, thank you, Biddy. Intermission? I guess. He's vacuuming my room in his pull-up. Hey, I'm filming, sir. So let's get the Bolero before he come back in here, y'all. New display, like, whoa, 2 new kinds. Man, I'm gonna enter, oh goodness, do I got a way to put the picture in? I don't, dang it, I should take a picture with my camera. The new Bolero display, but they got the body wash, of course, all the normal stuff, the body wash, the foot soaks, the wipes. They have serums this time, facial serums, which I picked some up. They have facial washes too. I had them, I was going to get them, but I decided against them because my skin is breaking out like crazy and I don't need anything really too foreign on it right now. And they had the soaps, and I just picked up just a little bit, and I just wanted to show you guys. Now the first one is the Bolero Cleansing Coconut and Rose Oil Facial Wipes Moisturizing. Focus in, camera. How beautiful is this design? I didn't want packaging to get to me. I didn't let packaging get to me, so I only picked up one. And y'all know that's hard for me because the packaging is absolutely beautiful. I also did pick up the face serum, the moisturizing face serum. Like, oh my goodness, I cannot believe they have serums now. Look at that. That is absolutely beautiful. So now I have a Bolero face serum. If you guys want to know how the serums work, let me know. And then from the other line, yeah, because I only picked up dang, only 2 things from each line, Tina. I did real good because I didn't want none of the body wash or the foot soaks, or the other stuff they came with. But they also had the hibiscus and pink clay. This is the nourishing, so that's the moisturizing. This is the nourishing, and I got the wipes, the cleansing wipes, and they look like that. Thank you, Biddy. Hi, sir. And then I got the hibiscus and pink clay face serum. How the face serum looks like that. So that's it, guys. That's everything I got for this edition from the Dollar Tree. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Remember, rate, comment, subscribe. I gotta get back to mommy duties. As you can see, a child just ran through here. I gotta get back to mommy duties. I'll see you in the next one. Love you guys. Bye.